According to a child psychologist, it doesn't really matter if the children are held with their parents or separated.
Those actions will have long-lasting effects on the kids' mental health and potentially physical health. 24-Hour News 8's Heather Walker spoke to a doctor at Spectrum Health here in Grand Rapids to learn more.
That's right. The child psychologist that I spoke with says these children will need mental help immediately.
How big of effect does this have on children and their development?
So there's been actually a lot of psychological research over the past number of decades about the fact that there is a large impact of trauma and traumatic experiences on children, and that impact actually increases as the child's length of exposure to the trauma increases or as they experience a greater number.
Dr. Brittany Barber Garcia with the Helen DeVos Children's Hospital says when children are separated from their parents or have a negative traumatic experience, it's called an adverse childhood experience, also known as ACE.
They are at risk, at greater risk, for experiencing problems related to both their emotional and psychological health, as well as their physical health and their cognitive and kind of academic development as well.
She says these children are likely to have anxiety, depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, and behavioral problems.
It could include physical health problems such as, loss of appetite, changes in sleep patterns, and even could potentially increase their risk for chronic health problems later on down the line.
But right now, she says, efforts need to be made to assist these children.
Our biggest concern, I think, is making sure that these children have access to the help and the health care that they need, and helping them to move forward as best we can.
We previously reported Bethany Christian Services is working to find foster families for the illegal immigrant children. The details of the kids' mental health care is unknown. Reporting live in studio today, Heather Walker, 24-Hour News 8.